How y'all doing this afternoon? It's Saturday afternoon, about 5 o'clock or so. Finally getting to do something I've been wanting to do. Going to be working on the old Corvette today. Finally got my box of goodies in. With a brand new leaf spring to go across there. Been waiting for a couple weeks for it to come in. If you see my other videos, the leaf spring that's underneath here, the car sits almost on the tires. So that ain't no good. We got some work to do. I mean, it ain't hard. It's really not that hard. We got these bolts and studs here to come out. With this 15 16ths, I believe. And we got them 4 bolts to come out. There's 1, 2, there's 2 more back there. We got that side to go. Let's get it come out. We have been looking forward to this. I am ready to drive my vet. Alright, let me get some tools down here. Alright, the first thing you gotta do on these, best way to do it, is both sides have a cotter key right here. You gotta get the cotter key out. If you know me, I like to use the air tools. But as old as this vehicle is, I'm not going to put my air tools to it and try to break stuff. Especially when I take them bolts out. Because I do not want to break these ears off. Or screw them up in any way. So we're just going to do hand tools here. Alright, let me get to it. Well, remember a minute ago when I told you I wasn't going to use no air tools? I lied to you. Look, I got that side out. And I got that side out. Look at this, man. I got a whole assortment of tools down here. I got ratchets down here, wrenches, pliers, pry bar. We got all kinds of stuff down here. Impact. I could not get those things to break loose. For nothing. I mean nothing. I had a cheater bar on down here trying to break them loose. That thing would not come. Where's that? Look over there. I even had my acetylene torch on it. Heating that bitch up. And it would not, neither one would break. Finally, I just got out the old cutting wheel. And just cut them off. Smashed my finger and everything. So let me tell you, that's a kind of a pain in the butt to do. We're going to see how these other 4 bolts go here. This ought to be interesting. As you can see, there's the old one. There's the new one. Got it out, man. That was kind of fun fishing it out of there. A lot of fun. I think I'm in good shape now. As soon as I get it back up in there. Oh, man, I hope this works. You know, I've had this car for almost a year now, and I want to put about 2 miles on it. Ain't that ridiculous? Alright, let me get back to it. You know, I was sitting here looking at the new spring, right? I was trying to figure out which difference, because that one there, they almost got the same arch to it. But I figured out what went wrong with it. If you look right here on this new spring, see this right here? I'm not sure what it's called. We'll just call it a clamp. They clamped them last 3 there together. But if you come over here to the old one, it doesn't have a clamp. It's been gone for a long time. So that just let that spring lay out flat. Took me a minute to figure it out. I mean, I'm not the smartest guy in the room, you know. So it's going to take me a minute to figure things out. Once I figure it out, it's on. Alright, let me get this jammed up in here. Well, I finally just got it done. Let me crawl underneath there and show you a couple things here. You know, if you look at this setup, you would think it'd be pretty easy, man. Just pull them 4 bolts out, come down, pull them out on each side, that one and that one. It doesn't work like that. I had to cut them out, them two out, got them down, and to get this back in there, you gotta do these one at a time. Got one started here going up, and I got this one back over here to start. I've been fighting with this for the last hour and a half to get that in there. I mean, it's not bad, you know, it's the first time I've ever done this on a Corvette. But boy, I would not recommend that to somebody who don't really know what they're doing. You don't know much about cars or, you know, how to figure things out like that, take it somewhere else and let someone else do it, man. But that was a pain in the butt. All right, let me get this thing down here and see what it looks like sitting on the ground. Boy, that thing is sitting in the air now. I'm sure it ain't gonna stay like that once I move it outside. But look, you remember you sit down on the tires, look at that. Man, I am so excited. I'm trying to clean stuff. I can't get stuff cleaned out of the way of the garage here fast enough so I can get it out. Can't wait. Look at that. She is sitting so pretty. Look, we got plenty of clearance now from off them tires. Look, we're gonna take it to town. I gotta put fuel in it. Gotta go to the auto parts store and I'm gonna drive my Vet. You see it's got April of 19 tags on it. They're expired. And them tags on them go to this car. There ain't no insurance on it, who cares? But I think she looks good. Interior all done. Yep. Gotta go change my clothes though, cause I'm kind of dirty and I don't want to get in there all dirty. Walking around. Just out driving my Vet. Trying to get home before it rains though, cause it's cloudy as can be out here. So what's that? It needs work though.
Why is it doing that?
The brakes. Brakes are bad. I need to put brakes on it.
I thought you were going to the cigarette store.
Pause for a minute.
Yeah. I had my hand over the thing.
Too bad. I think it needs some rear shocks on it. Rolling around with illegal tags and no insurance. Boy, well, I'm a smart guy. I probably won't get it legal this year. I've never even threw this thing on the floorboard yet. here. Being the stock motor, she'll jump up and run though. Definitely got to put some shocks on this thing, boy. Home sweet home.
What's all that stuff?
Not bad. She's a little rough riding though. But I actually quite enjoy that ride. That's the most I've driven that car since I've had her. Well, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. I'm gonna put the old girl back in her home. Put her back in her space. Like I said though, I think she turned out pretty good. She didn't overheat, nothing. Still got good clearance over the tires. I don't know what I'll do to it next. It's probably gonna take me a little while to do anything else to it, because if you want anything for these cars, you gotta order them off the line. And the parts are so damn expensive. All right, thank you. You know what to do, like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all.